Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum. Hope everybody is doing fine. Today my son Hammad is craving cupcakes, so we are going to bake cupcakes. He is going to bake cupcakes and I'm just going to record it. So he's using one box of dark chocolate fudge mix from the box, and right now it's just putting it into the mixing bowl, the whole packet, and he's breaking in 3 whole eggs. उम्मीद है आप सब ठीक होंगे। तो आज हमाद कर रहा है बेकिंग और मैं कर रही हूँ रिकॉर्डिंग। उसने 3 अंडे जो हैं वो उसमें डाले हैं और एक बॉक्स जो है वो डार्क चॉकलेट फज का डाला है, 1 कप ऑफ वाटर एंड हाफ कप ऑफ canola oil. Again 1 box of dark chocolate fudge, 1 cup water, 3 whole eggs and half cup of oil, and he's going to mix it all together. जब उसके अंदर chocolate होता है, it takes a little while when there's chocolate in the mix. It takes a little bit while to break up the lumps. So he's going to whisk it until it's nice and smooth. Alright, as you can see, he's just breaking up the lumps and he's doing it slowly. Almost there. There you go. That's dark chocolate. I can smell it already. It smells so good. Okay, lining up the trays. छोटी ट्रे हमने सिल्वर वाली ली है, डिस्पोजेबल वाली। उसके अंदर ये जो कपकेक्स के शेल्स हैं वो रख रहा है। तो it's going to fill them up. It's going to be a little bit messy, so I hope you don't mind the mess. And there you go. He took the ladle and he's filling them up. Equal amount, सबके अंदर equal amount डालना है. So just eyeballing it for now. There you go. You know, when boys are cooking or baking, they don't care about mess. So I was telling him, I said, alright, they're already in the oven and he's doing the toothpick test. Came out fine, they're done from inside, and he's going to let them cool down. He's letting them cool down completely, and while they are cooling down, he said he's going to make the frosting or icing. Okay, so for that he has 1 stick of butter, half stick of hard vegetable ghee जो स्टोर से बाय किया हमने, and whisking them first. सबसे पहले बटर और जो हार्ड वेजिटेबल का घी था उसको उसने अच्छे से उसको मिक्स किया. He's going to make it nice and smooth. Okay, here goes vanilla. 1 spoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and half cup at a time. He's adding the powdered sugar. Yes, it looks a lot of sugar because it's powdered sugar or icing sugar. So slowly you have to add it. He tells me that don't add everything together, just go and do it slowly. So there it is, half cup at a time. Getting there, we will get there. हो जाएगा. तो हमने क्या किया है कि हमने बटर और जो था घी था वेजिटेबल का, उसको हमने पहले उसको किया है, नरम किया है, फिर उसके अंदर पाउडर शुगर या आइसिंग शुगर डाल रहे हैं. Okay, now this is 1.5 cup of marshmallow fluff, or you can call it marshmallow paste. It's kind of sticky. It's very sticky actually. It's hard to get it off. So he's using 2 of those so you can scrape it off. And now he's going to whisk it again. On medium to high speed. Look at how nice that is. Now it's really nice, fluffy and airy. So I'm helping him fill up the frosting bag or icing bag, जो भी आप उसको कहते हैं, and with his steady hand he is going to do the frosting. Remember last week he did the cake, so I like the way he did it. So this time he's doing it on the cupcakes, and I'm liking the way he's doing it. There you go. Okay ji. So I'm recording and talking. That's my job today. There you go. So let's do all of them and I'll bring it back to you. This is the second tray. There you go. Did I mention my Hammad has a sweet tooth? Alright. Good job. Good job. Good job. Please let me know in the comments what you think. I think they look very, very pretty. You have to let me know how Hammad did. Hammad is my middle son and he has a sweet tooth, if I didn't mention it before. There you go. There you go. ये देखें जी, बन गया, रेडी हो गया. और अब अंदर से दिखाएगा हमें ये काट के. अंदर से looks perfectly nice and moist. Oh nice. There you go. Yes, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share and comment, and I will see you later inshallah. Allah Hafiz. Take care.